And welcome back to the WFA Plus, everyone. Meteorologist Greg Fields updating you on the weather that we have happening up along the Red River, the severe storms that we have pushing out of Oklahoma. We did have that tornado warning briefly for a small part of Cook County until 12:45. That has been allowed to expire, but we do have a new severe thunderstorm warning that we want to update you on until 1:45. This does include Cook and Grayson County. We're talking 60, maybe 70 mile per hour winds, hail perhaps up to golf ball size in this area. So you see that pink shaded area there pushing out of Thackerville there in Oklahoma down toward Gainesville, moving over toward Whitesboro right now. So we'll have that cluster of storms working its way to the east, southeast just a little bit at around 30, 35 miles per hour. So as we slide over and put that storm track on there, approximate times around Callisburg, Dixie, Basin Springs, and you see heading over toward Whitesboro, Collinsville, and a little farther south and east, all going to be included in that. So again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning until 1:45. For that hail that could be up to a golf ball, maybe even ping pong ball size hail in this. And again, 60, maybe 70 mile per hour wind. So that's the severe thunderstorm warning that we do have in effect right now. And you see the intensity of that storm still up north of the Red River, looking at that tornado warning for Love County there in southern Oklahoma. Now, as we zoom out a little bit more, this is the only cluster of storms that we have right now, but it has grown, gotten a little bit stronger as it has developed over the past hour or so, pushing over the Red River right now. So it will continue to impact those areas, mainly up along the immediate Red River. Not seeing much more across there, the rest of North Texas. So that's the area of concern along the immediate Red River right now, from Gainesville over toward Sherman. This is eventually maybe getting out toward Bonham over the next hour or so. So we'll continue to watch that as that cluster works its way south and east. But the bulk of that still mainly up into Oklahoma. The rest of North Texas, for now anyway, is storm free. So those storms are confined to the immediate Red River, but we will see a few more developing as we go through the day, as we do have that enhanced risk for severe storms. That hail may be larger than golf ball size, level 3 out of 5. That does push down into the Metroplex, including portions of Denton, just all of Denton County, Wise County included in that, portions of Tarrant County, moving over into Dallas and Collin counties as well in that enhanced risk. So that's level 3 out of 5. Hail and wind going to be the main concern. A very low non-zero tornado threat. It's going to be mainly a hail and wind threat, we think, as we go through the day. Some heavy rain as well, so that could cause some localized flash flooding. Now, not everyone will see storms or severe weather today. It will be scattered about right now up along the Red River, and we do have that severe thunderstorm watch for that area as well. You see that extends from Paris all the way back to Bowie, down into the northern portions of the Metroplex. Wise County included in that, Denton and Collin counties as well, over into Hunt County, Sulphur Springs, you're included in that as well, with the severe thunderstorm watch until 4 p.m. So we'll watch those the area up along the Red River for the strongest storms. We are calling for a weather alert day for today, and roughly around the Metroplex over the next couple of hours, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. here this afternoon, heading into the evening for that large hail. The damaging wind threat going to be the main concerns for us. So make sure you stay updated as we keep you updated throughout the afternoon. And if you haven't already, make sure you download that app to get the latest. Now, here's what it may look like as far as our timecast is concerned. You see those storms push a little farther south, and there will be some other development, we think, up into portions of Oklahoma. So by late this afternoon, we'll have another cluster of storms, maybe diving south and east into portions of the Metroplex as we get into the evening hours here. That will be ongoing through much of the evening, heading toward 8, 9, 10 o'clock here for tonight. And then as we head toward Thursday evening here, this evening, we will still see some showers and thunderstorms. But then as we head into midnight, heading into Friday morning, things that should begin to settle down a little bit more for us. And things will start to improve as far as the storms are concerned. But then we will have more storms to talk about as we get into the holiday weekend. Going to back out of the way one more time so we can give you a look at radar before we let you go. But again, that tornado warning that we did have for Cook County briefly until 12:45, that did expire. But we are still looking at a severe thunderstorm warning up along the Red River for 60, 70 mile per hour winds and maybe a golf ball to ping pong ball size hail. You can see that's moving right over Gainesville right now, over toward Whitesboro, moving to the south and east at around 35 miles per hour. So anybody over toward Whitesboro, you see that's going to be pushing on into your area here over the next few minutes, in the next half hour to 45 minutes or so, and then eventually out towards Sherman. So there's the storm track there once again in some of the towns and the approximate times that will be impacted by this. So we'll continue to watch that activity up along the Red River over the next couple of hours. And of course, we will keep you updated. If need be, we will be updating you on WFA Plus and on air as well on WFAA throughout the afternoon.